English class. This is Mrs. Collins' English 9 Canvas course, and we're getting ready to explain module number 2 to you. There are 2 assignments, one assignment number 5, and then 2, the assignment number 6. Assignment number 5 is going to have you watch a short film, and it's called Ian. Once you have finished watching the video, it's going to have you answer 6 different questions. And one of the biggest things that Mrs. Collins is looking for is complete sentences. So make sure the beginning of your sentence is capitalized and that you're ending your sentence with punctuation, whether that's a period, an exclamation mark, something of that sort. So once you have completed all 6 questions, you will hit the Submit Quiz button and it will be sent to us. Go back to your modules and scroll down to this next little snippet. Some of you are having issues with the district computer not letting you view your YouTube video. So if you can't watch the video for Ian inside of this assignment, I've attached it as a small video here and it will automatically play for you, okay? If that's still an issue for you, please make sure you're reaching out and telling us, okay? Assignment number 6 is going to tell you to write a story about yourself, a short essay. In this case, you are going to think about the circumstances in Ian's life and how in the beginning of the movie, Ian, the main character, had a certain mindset. But toward the end of the movie, his mindset changed. And he inspired the other characters to change too. For this assignment, you need to think about a time in your life when you experienced something that changed you and write about it. Your task, you will write an essay about an event that changed your life in a positive or a negative way. Some questions you should consider. What happened? What were the steps that led to your change? Tell your story. Who was involved? When and where did this event happen? Did this change happen slowly over a long period of time, or did it happen suddenly? How did this change affect you and the people around you? What are the results and the consequences of your change? What positive or negative things have happened in your life since you've made the change? And what advice would you give to someone struggling with the same issues you struggled with when you were going through your change? Your requirements. Your essay must be at least 500 words. If you're typing inside of a Word document like Microsoft Word, it will count for you. It will show up towards the bottom right below. Your essay should be at least 3 paragraphs, and your essay should be clear and easy to follow. Reread your essay out loud. If you find yourself getting stuck or tripping over words, it's because the way that the sentence was written wasn't written correctly. Fix it. So this right here just is reiterating that you need to make sure that you complete your assignments and how to get that information turned in. This assignment is due on Monday, July 27th, no later than 11:59. And you can copy and paste inside of this box, or you can send a text picture to Mrs. Collins, email it to Mrs. Collins, or you can reach out to me, Miss O'Neill. Once you are finished, submit the quiz, and you are done with assignment number 6. And that is your module for this week. And if you have any questions, again, make sure you're connecting with Mrs. Collins or I, so that way we can better assist you in any way, shape, or form. Thanks.